Hey everyone, welcome to Cupixel Studio. My name is Haley and today we are going to get started with our acrylic canvas set. I'm going to walk you through everything that's inside our set. Everything was handpicked by our sourcing team and tested to make sure that our materials are of the best quality for your creation. So when you get the box, you'll see that you have a QR code that you can scan to learn a little bit more about Cupixel. And then, of course, on the back, it tells you everything that we have in the box, as well as a couple of images here for your creative inspiration. So let's go ahead and open it up. When you open up the box, the first thing that you'll see here is a code that you can scan with your device to get a 1-month free membership to all of our experiences. And then right here, we have our welcome sheet. Hello, thank you for experiencing art with us. You can see here on the front that the opportunities for your creation are endless. You can paint pretty much anything you want using Cupixel and the membership. So make sure that when you make your first acrylic creation, you post your time lapse from the My Studio tab on the Cupixel app and tag us. Tag drawing of the day for a chance to get a little something from our team to you. So what's in the box? First things first, we have our device stand. I'm not going to assemble it now, but we do have an experience in which I walk you through assembling this device stand, so definitely check that out if you need a little assistance. In the set, you have 5 canvas panels to create on. These canvases are primed with gesso so you can get straight to creating, and they are 8 by 8 inch canvas panels, not stretched, just the canvas board, so it's perfect for, staying nice and flat and sturdy while you're painting and tracing with Smart Trace. Next we have our microfiber cloth. When you open this up, you will use this as a little placement for your canvas panel because it will give you that black background, that dark border around your drawing surface so that our Smart Trace is able to recognize your drawing surface and superimpose images onto your canvas so that you can get tracing. So it's perfect for that, and it's also perfect for containing any mess that you might make while you're creating. So there's that. You can also wash them and you can use them for other things as well, like cleaning your computer screen, phone screen, your glasses, all that good stuff. Let's keep going. Of course, you have your pencil, your brushes, your eraser, your sharpener, and your dual-tipped marker. So I will go ahead and open this up. Okay, so you have your pencil and your pencil sharpener. This is an HB, so it's perfect for tracing or getting your outline on your canvas before you paint. Of course, we also have an eraser. We have our dual-tipped marker. This is an alcohol-based marker, so it won't smudge or blend with your paints. So you can use it beneath your painting and on top of your painting as well. It has 2 sides, the extra fine side, which is really great for getting those thin, precise lines, and then the fine side, which is a little bit thicker, but still has a nice, precise point, so you get thick lines and precision at the same time. You get the best of both worlds. This is a really great marker. I love it. I love using it when painting, and like I said, it's great on top of acrylics too, once they're dry. For brushes, you have 3 right here. We have the number 8 brush, which is a square, flat brush, perfect for covering large surface area and also getting nice, precise, crisp lines. We have the number 2 brush, which is a small, flat brush. The bristles are a little bit longer, so you have a little bit more movement, and you can also get precise lines with this one as well. And then last but not least, we have the number 3 brush, which is a tapered pointed brush that is very small and thin, similar size to the number 2. The only difference is that the bristles are a little bit longer and they are also tapered as opposed to flat. So these are really great. This is really all you need, in my opinion, when it comes to painting. I have so many brushes at home and I really stick to my 3. And if I'm being completely honest, they're these ones. So I love them. They're really great to paint with and really great quality. The bristles don't come out. They clean very nicely. They last a long time. So these are awesome. And then of course, last but not least, in your acrylic set is of course your acrylic paints. So we have a nice variety of colors for you. Let me open this up. Your acrylic paints. So you can store them by taking this out and placing the cover on top. Very sleek, very nice. Or you can leave it like this for, easy access to your paints. We have titanium white, 3 shades of yellow, lemon yellow, mid yellow, and yellow ochre, 2 shades of red, scarlet red and crimson, 2 shades of blue, cerulean and phthalo, 2 shades of green, light green and viridian green, and then we have burnt sienna, a nice warm brown, and black. Really great quality acrylic paints. It's very thick, good body to it, so it's not transparent. You can get away with just 1 coat of paint, but you can also build up this paint as well. Really great variety of colors to mix and create your own shades of color. And of course, I want to let you know that when you first open your paints, you will have this seal over them. So this will ensure that, of course, when, if your box is shipped to you, we want to keep them clean. We want to keep it mess-free. We want to keep it secure. Just take off that little metal piece and throw it away and you're good to go. Screw the cap on tight when you're done creating to make sure that your paints last and they don't dry out. And that is pretty much it. That is everything that you have in the acrylic set. Of course, you can always order more canvases if you run out, because typically I run out of canvases before I run out of paint. So there's that. That's pretty much it. That's everything that you have in the set. So I hope you enjoy. Pleasant reminder to follow us on social and tag Cupixel with the hashtag drawing of the day for a chance to win a little something something from our team to you. And we just can't wait to see what you create with the acrylic set. So thank you so much for joining me. Happy creating, and I will see you in your first acrylic experience.